Today, I'll show you how to create a contact group in Gmail so you can email multiple people at once without typing each address every time. By the end of this video, you'll be able to set up your own groups, like family, project team, or clients, and send messages to them in just a couple of clicks. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account, then open Gmail in your web browser. This is your usual inbox view where you read and send emails. We're not going to create the group directly inside Gmail, but this is the starting point that connects us to Google's other tools. Look toward the top right corner of your Gmail screen. You'll see the Google Apps icon, which looks like a small grid of dots or squares. Click on that icon. A panel will open showing different Google services like Drive, Calendar, and others. From this list, choose Contacts. If you don't see it right away, you might need to scroll down a bit, but it should be there. Clicking on Contacts will open a new tab with your Google Contacts. Now you're in Google Contacts, which is where all the people you've emailed or saved are stored. To turn a set of contacts into a group, we're going to use something called labels. Labels are essentially groups or categories that you can assign to specific contacts. Look on the left-hand side of the contacts screen. You'll see a section called Labels. Click on the word Labels to expand it if it's not already open, then select Create Label. This is the option that lets us make a brand new contact group. A small window will appear asking you to name the label. This name is what you'll see later when you're sending an email, so make it something clear and specific. For example, you might call it Marketing Team, Book Club, or Soccer Parents. Type the name you want, then confirm to create the label. Once you do that, you've officially created your contact group. Right now it's empty, so the next step is to add people to it. To add contacts to the label, stay in Google Contacts. You'll see a list of your contacts in the main area. Find the people you want to include in this group and click the small checkbox next to each of their names. You can select as many as you need. After you've selected them, look at the top of the page for the label icon, which looks like a tag. Click that label icon and a drop-down list of your labels will appear. Choose the label you just created. When you select it, those contacts will be added to that group. If you prefer, you can also open an individual contact, click the label icon inside their contact details, and then pick the group label you want. This is helpful if you're adding new people over time and want to keep your group updated. Once you've added everyone you need, your contact group is ready to use. The next time you go back to Gmail and start a new email, you can type the name of the label into the To field, and Gmail will automatically fill in everyone in that group. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to create a contact group in Gmail by opening Gmail, going to Google Contacts, creating a label, naming your group, and adding contacts to that label.